Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to do 4K color correction in After Effects. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this download link for FX plugin. Just scroll down, select the download Windows option and it will start downloading. After the download done, just right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and double click on the exe file. Select yes. Select I agree and select this custom option and plugin path. You just need to go to C drive, program files, Adobe, Adobe After Effects support files, and you just need to scroll down and find plugins. Just select the plugins folder and select folder option, and then select install. After the installation done, select the finish option and just close up here. And now you just need to open up After Effects and go to file and select import and select file and just navigate to the video that you're going to edit and select import and then drag it to your timeline. Right click on here and select new and select adjustment layer. And now you just need to press Ctrl plus spacebar in your keyboard to open up FX console. If it doesn't opens up like this, then you just need to close and reopen the After Effects. That opens up, guys. Just press the Ctrl plus spacebar and type here sharpen. Again Ctrl plus spacebar and type unsharp mask and sharpen amount set this to 10. Unsharpen mask amount set this to 25 and radius set this to 10. Now again press the Ctrl plus spacebar to open up this and type here brightness and contrast. Brightness value set this to 40. Contrast set this to 25. Now again press the Ctrl plus spacebar and type here Lumetri Color. Expand the basic correction and in saturation you just need to drag on right side to increase it. Just need to increase it, depends on your preference, guys. I just make it 126 and exposure set this to 0.2. Now you just need to expand the creative and set the vibrance value to 25. Scroll down and color wheels. Just need to play around with these values until you achieve your desired results. Then again press the Ctrl plus spacebar key in your keyboard and type glow. Click on it and add it. Glow radius set this to 75. Glow intensity set this to 0.1. Again press the Ctrl plus spacebar and type CC win net. Set this to 75. And angle of view set this to 60. And now let's see the results, guys. Just gonna have this right side, the original video, have it left side, both of it just gonna play it same time. You can able to see the color improvement in this video, as you can see. So good. And that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.